We'll guide you through how to move photos and videos from an iPhone to an external hard drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do as perhaps you want to go and use the hard drive as a way to go and then transfer them to another device. Or you may just want to go and back them up on here, or you may want to go and store them on here. As once you've transferred and moved them, you then go and delete them. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. So make sure you have an external hard drive and make sure it's got plenty of space on there for the photos and videos we're going to do this with. Next, you want to go and look at the port on your iPhone. So iPhones 14 and older went and use the Lightning port, and iPhones 15 and newer go and use USB-C. So you may need to go and get an adapter depending upon the cable on your hard drive. So this is just USB-C, and this is an iPhone 16 which uses USB-C. So therefore, I've got a Lightning to USB adapter. I'll link some different drives and adapters down below you can go and get. So what we can do is go and plug this in like so. Once you go and have it plugged in, you should just go and see that it powers on. And what we can then do is go and open up the Photos app on our iPhone like so. Now what we can do is go and start selecting the photos and videos you want to do this with. So we can go and press select in the top right. And then what you can do is you can go and start tapping the ones you want to do this with. If you want to do them all, then what you need to do is go and start dragging across like so, and then just moving your finger up. And you can go and press the time in the top right. Keep moving, and then you'll go and see we have them selected, and you can go and press the share button in the bottom left. Once you have the one selected you want to do this with, then you go to the bottom left. You go and find the share button, and you want to go and tap on it. Then what you need to do is go down, find the options, save to files just here, and you can go and tap on it. On older iOSs, you had to go and scroll down further to go and find it. Go and press the back button in the top left like so, and see you're back to the main browse page, and come into locations and go and find the drive, and you can tap on it. Press the three dots in the top right and you can press new folder. It's much easier to go and keep them organized in a folder. So you can go and just name what you want on them at year end and tap on it. Then you can go and press save in the top right and just go and wait. The time this takes will depend upon the number of photos and videos. As you can see there, it wasn't too long. That's it, they're now transferred. So now we can go and put this onto another device and we can go and open it up and the photos and videos will be on there. It's that straightforward. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.